Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel.
Hello, hello! Welcome, welcome! We are so happy to see you again today.
Yes! If this is your first time here, hello! My name is Lisa.
And my name is Mark, and together we are learning English every single day.
Today is day 7. 1 week already. Can you believe it?
1 week! That's amazing! If you are new here, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon too, so you don't miss day 8, day 9, and all the other days.
Yes, subscribe now. It's free and it helps you a lot. Okay, Mark, are you ready for today's topic?
I'm ready! Today, we are talking about weekend plans and activities.
I love this topic. Everybody loves the weekend, right?
Everybody. So today, you will learn how to talk about your weekend, the last weekend, and the next weekend. Easy words, easy sentences. Let's start.
First, let's talk about the days. The weekend is Saturday and Sunday.
Saturday and Sunday. Say it with me. Sat-ter-day.
Saturday.
Sun-day.
Sunday. Very good. And the other 5 days? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. These are the weekdays.
Weekdays we work or study. Weekend, we rest and have fun.
Exactly. So now let's talk about last weekend first.
Okay, Lisa, question for you. What did you do last weekend?
Good question. Last weekend I visited my parents.
You visited your parents. Nice.
Yes, on Saturday I visited my parents, and on Sunday I stayed home and I watched a movie.
I stayed home. I watched a movie. Simple sentence, very useful.
Now you, Mark, what did you do last weekend?
Last weekend, on Saturday, I played football with my friends.
You played football. Fun.
Very fun. And on Sunday, I cleaned my house and I cooked dinner for my family.
I cooked dinner. Nice. Okay, let's repeat these useful verbs together. Everyone repeat with us.
I visited. I stayed home. I watched a movie.
I played football. I cleaned my house. I cooked dinner.
Great job. Now let's talk about the next weekend, the future.
Okay, Mark, what are you going to do this weekend?
This weekend, I am going to go to the beach.
You are going to go to the beach. Wonderful. With who?
I am going to go with my family. We are going to swim, and we are going to eat lunch by the sea.
That sounds perfect. And me? This weekend, I am going to relax at home.
You are going to relax. That's a good plan, too.
Yes. On Saturday, I am going to read a book. And on Sunday, I am going to meet my friends for coffee.
I am going to meet my friends. Very good sentence. Let's repeat the pattern together.
I am going to go to the beach.
I am going to relax at home.
I am going to meet my friends.
Perfect. Remember this pattern. I am going to plus verb. Easy, right?
Very easy. Now, let's learn some more fun weekend activities.
Let's learn more weekend activities. Repeat after us, everyone.
Go shopping.
Go shopping.
Watch a movie.
Watch a movie.
Go for a walk.
Go for a walk.
Meet friends.
Meet friends.
Sleep late.
Sleep late. My favorite one.
Of course. Cook a special meal.
Cook a special meal.
Visit family.
Visit family.
Play sports.
Play sports.
Excellent! Now, Mark, let's make small example sentences with these words. I'll start. On the weekend, I like to go for a walk in the park.
Nice sentence. My turn. On the weekend, I like to sleep late and watch a movie.
Very good. Do you see the pattern? On the weekend, I like to plus activity.
Yes, it's a very useful sentence for daily conversation.
Now, very important, how to invite someone for the weekend.
Yes, listen to this. Do you want to go to the beach with me this weekend?
Do you want to go to the beach with me this weekend? Great question for an invitation.
And if you want to say yes.
Yes, I'd love to. What time?
Yes, I'd love to. Very natural answer.
And if you want to say no, politely.
Sorry, I can't. I already have plans.
Sorry, I can't. I already have plans. Very polite and simple.
Let's practice together. I'll ask, you answer. Ready?
Ready.
Do you want to go for coffee with me this weekend?
Yes, I'd love to.
Perfect. See? Easy conversation. Real conversation.
Okay, let's put everything together in one small conversation. Listen carefully.
Hi, Lisa. What did you do last weekend?
I visited my parents and watched a movie. What about you?
I played football with my friends. And what are you going to do this weekend?
I am going to meet my friends for coffee. Do you want to come?
Yes, I'd love to.
See? Just a few simple sentences, and you can have a full conversation about your weekend.
And remember our golden tip today. Don't worry about making it perfect. Just use simple words. I visited, I played, I am going to.
Exactly. English doesn't need to be complicated. Small sentences, said with confidence, are enough to start.
Practice a little every day, and you will see the difference very soon. We promise.
Okay, everyone, now it's your turn. Here is today's homework question.
Write your answer in the comments below, in English. Ready for the question?
What are you going to do this weekend?
Write it like this. This weekend I am going to, and finish the sentence.
We will read your comments, so please write your answer. It's great practice.
If you enjoyed today's lesson, please give us a like, and share this video with a friend who is also learning English.
And don't forget, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss day 8 tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, everyone.
Bye-bye. Have a wonderful weekend.